The next award goes to Obesity Matters Canada for empowering people living with obesity through stigma-free, community-driven support with its Obesity Matters Wellness Workshop and reaching over 10 million people through digital platforms.
Wow, this is such an honor to be in such distinguished company and to receive this prestigious award. On behalf of Obesity Matters, thank you for this recognition. I am truly humbled. This is such a proud moment for our community, the advocates who share stories all the time, over and over again, hoping that systems will change, to the clinicians and the researchers who are practicing whole person care, and to our partners who are pushing for prevention and equitable access to care and compassionate support. This award gives us hope to push forward at all levels: policy, payment, pathways, and people, so that we can offer integrated and stigma-free approach across all levels. I am especially thankful and grateful to my co-founders, Rachel Atkins, Rosie Chalderhose, Sandra Elia, who had belief in me and gave me the courage to begin this journey of lived experience. All four of us had a lived experience, and we wanted to start an organization for the people, by the people. And to Dr. Naresh Agarwal for his wavering support, and very importantly, my children, Aisha and Rohan, who fuel me every day to keep moving forward in this work. And now we know that change is possible. And tonight is just the beginning. I'm going to hand this over to my colleague, Sandra Elia, to give her perspective.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for this incredible honor. We took such care in selecting our name, Obesity Matters, because we wanted people living with obesity to understand that they matter. And isn't that what we all want? And how do you show somebody that they matter? You love them. So 4 women with lived experience set out to create this organization. And I worried, could I serve this vulnerable population, a population that has been discriminated against, shamed, and blamed? Because you see, I am a child of immigrants, and I lost my mother to obesity far too soon. But what I knew we could do was create a safe, judgment-free environment, and we could love. So we opened our doors and we opened our arms and our hearts, and we held reverence and love for our community. And we began to see that over time, this love could transcend the shame, and it could transcend the discrimination, and love could heal. My mother did not receive the help that she needed, and so I dedicate this award to her and all the lives lost to obesity. And I dedicate this award to my beautiful daughter, Sophia, and all the young people that can shape the future. Thank you.